It's on now.
Dear delegates, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, power comes from God. Whoever God says will be, will be. When I became a governor, I never knew I would be a governor. And so everybody should see that this is how Almighty God has designed it. You heard what the candidate said, that he doesn't know what to say because he was not prepared to even, as if he never knew he would be the candidate. But to the glory of God, he is the candidate of the People's Democratic Party. Let me also thank the other aspirants who are here today. People like Dr. B.S. Sikibo, Tele Ekuru, Boma Yaye, and all others who came. Kamalo, George Kelly, all of it that came shows the interest you have for this party. And I can assure you, the support you've given to the party, God with infinite wisdom will one day also believe that you too, people will support you. So many people talk about loyalty. So many people talk about, I'm loyal. And I told them, to be loyal is not easy. To be loyal is what? Not easy. The time for loyalty will come. You will know those who are loyal. With the performance of our administration, with what we have achieved in this state, there's no candidate that PDP will present that will not win the election. What will be our campaign? Our campaign will be like this. We made promises to the state. We will do road, we will do this. Have we done it? Yes. We will ask them, what has APC done for River State? Certainly nothing. So who tells you any other party can come and win this state? So let nobody deceive you. And no one particular group or zone can make themselves to be governor. You need everybody to work together to be governor. If anybody tells you, oh, I'm from a more populous area, it's a lie. Obiakpo has the highest voting strength. So, Obiakpo should be producing a governor. It's not possible. You need the support of everybody to win the election. And those of you who believe in PDP will work for the party to win the election. We have gotten a candidate. There's nothing anybody can do about it. That's our candidate. After the presidential primaries on Saturday, we'll come back home to the glory of God and set up a team that will make sure PDP wins the election in Rivers State. So I thank you the way you have conducted yourself, and that is the way it's supposed to be. We don't want to have any problems. Yes, there are so many people who wanted to be, but only one person will be. We cannot have two governors at the same time. It's only one. We cannot have two candidates at the same time. It is only one. And Fubara similarly is the candidate of the People's Democratic Party. So my own is to thank you. He has won, me I'm still running an election. So let me go and find my own delegates. Let me go and find my own delegates. Let me not be here now. Somebody will collect all the delegates somewhere. So sincerely, I thank you very much. And I wish and to let you know that by tomorrow, every delegate will be reached by the chairman of our party. Every delegate will be reached by the chairman of our party. It is late now. I don't want anybody to go and wait somebody on the road. So, but we all know those who are delegates. Their names are there. It's not hidden. Abia has relinquished his own delegate to some other person, so he will not be seen. So he was no longer a delegate since he has given somebody to be a delegate. So the person will be the one that will be seen, no longer be sellable. But sincerely, I'm happy this night, and let us put our house in order and make sure we'll continue to take this state. We'll continue to win and deliver the dividends of democracy. Let me thank INEC. It's not been easy, and here you have been here since morning. I want to sincerely thank you for having come to monitor, and I thank the Electoral Committee who came in from Abuja for having been here since morning. Thank you very much, and we believe that God, in His infinite mercy, will lead you back to Abuja safely without any problem. I thank you, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.